Alright, we're back. We got our friend Paul with us today. He's back, everyone. Woo! What's your plan for the rest of the week? I think you said you're coming back here tomorrow.
Coming back here tomorrow.
And what about Thursday?
Possibly going back to SeaWorld.
Gotcha.
Gotta ride Mako one more time. I think it's the best ride of the
Mako? Oh no, this is 100% the best ride in the park. I don't know, we're gonna have to see.
I rode the first hour of the day. We'll see. Woo! Oh my God!
That was good. That was really good. Woo! Wow.
That is a good coaster.
I'd have to say there was a minimal difference, but the back still hits really good, man.
Oh, the back is overall the best ride. Best ride into that, for sure.
100%.
But for the view, if you want to be surprised the first time, it's in the back. That was my first ride, man.
That was my first ride too, actually.
Oh, that was your first ride in the back? My first ride on this coaster was in the back.
Yeah, so was mine. That's what I was saying.
I had no clue.
I had an idea when I was walking into it when I first rode it last year, but my first ride was in the back row. The morning after I rode it, I went back to ride the front.
You know, Steve?
Gotcha.
He's been literally walking around all day because he does not do roller coasters. He rode Mako yesterday and he tried to do ice cream. That was it. Yeah. I wish he did. He had trouble doing it. And then he could, I would be running and I would be literally going constant around.
Right.
He's nice as it comes because he's with me.
My dad was the same way too, but my dad's busy at home.
Oh really?
Yeah, otherwise usually my dad is the one that travels with me.
Does he ride coasters?
No. He's like a Charlie.
Or he just comes to watch this and take photos.
Pretty much.
And kind of get you on track. I never minded going to theme parks so by myself.
Rest of your day at Busch Gardens.